A very good evening. This is Abigail bringing to you the news and events in Meghalaya from Don Bosco Media Network. Here are the headlines for today. Meghalaya Power Minister James K. Sangma tests COVID-19 positive at Imphal International Airport on 12 September 2020. Khasi Jaintia Bus Association threatens to observe strike to protest the upcoming structure at Maulong Hut in Shillong. And Meghalaya Education Department will hold review meeting to discuss about reopening of schools next week. And now the news in detail. The Power Minister Shri James Sangma has unfortunately tested positive for COVID-19 as per a rapid antigen test conducted on arrival at the Imphal airport after having visited Delhi. He and the Honorable Chief Minister were on an official visit to Mizoram after returning from Delhi on an Indigo flight. Shri James Sangma tested positive twice as per rapid antigen tests. He will be returning to Meghalaya on a chartered plane according to source. Shri Conrad K. Sangma is in the clear having tested negative as per the rapid antigen tests. Decided to adopt a two-pronged approach to remove the ongoing structure in front of the parking complex Maulong Hut in Shillong. The leaders of Khasi Jaintia Bus Association said that they were surprised to see the construction work at the entrance of the parking complex, as the upcoming structure would further aggravate the present traffic congestion at Maulong Hut. They also said that as soon as they saw the new structure coming up in the area, they made a complaint to the Shillong municipality and they were assured that the construction would be stopped. But to their surprise, they again saw the workers started working again. They also said that they have decided to approach the government not to allow any structure to come up in this area, as this place is highly congested, as all the vehicles from different districts converge here. The construction of the building or any structure in this place will also affect the health of the drivers, who will be deprived of sunlight. They also pointed out that they used to clean the place from time to time, which is full of dirt and mud even today. President of Khasi Jaintia Bus Association, Mr. O. Jirwa, said that he was unable to ascertain whether the structure that will come up in this place belongs to the Shillong Municipal Board or the Urban Affairs Department. What they know is that this structure will become a nuisance to them and the public.
Kaba bom nang ong su reya menta kaba kabeneng garang kumne idang I don burom ne te re banda daily badon sang slap kumudang ne kunyiyu ro cincar bokli mut dewan yelam lung ra abiyu lomba tukte wan yelam ba abiyu te wan thap mar abiyu te kapok kali la bit te lut perkoi te perkoi ye kwai cingkui alor kadi kebenta mut kaliang ke municipal ru kadai ben kampung kloy ban lada municipal kam kloy kam la menteri kadai ben pentip ingi geson kanang ba mengiro in la hi da kebor la chong na menta kecingi bit biang chong di driver bat kuncu ki passenger ke bawan kini ketika te nakaliang singi kerpat iki ba kidai ban ngaulam ni kini kecingka cingkerpat singi nam ta kham tam nam ta kini cingko cingkia
Subuh ada pi hable hidai hapun kue jadi sebelum lo kau pisah pat kiba kilum na pi pensiun na nama kau.
Ya kita ngisi perkat pat nama ba kumbolong mata kerson ni laya perkat balada komunisipal kam la belai lor kini ke cipumbai kini ke parking kemud ngimbang se nama ba umlong so benyang kita gipai dan jerong nado kita gilai malah aduh ne second floor aduh ne kita gipai bepai kemud itu sini kemud ngi telalong ke penap ngilalong bu penap napo kemud hang ne jerong bos hang ne cikayat bos pai kita ginala zakut don gibade dukan na jerong kita nung ba kita gipai dibesong sini sepo pat kemud ada ikte te kemud nak kerpat pada kalian ke department kepada ipek ya kena kemud kideban terus lain na menta kene ada kwa ba mengiru inja cikwa cikya ngatrai mendaki hapen wan ya dalade yalde hene trai kim numnut surah por ba lang kan kemud por barang kumne te ka kambian.
Speaking to media persons, the General Secretary of Khasi Jaintia Bus Association, W. Kharbuli, expressed deep concern over the untidiness of the place, which could affect the health of the drivers and the people who come to this place.
maka jabo tangi batip mangi basta ni kasma ngi ba ringi ni ka RSB lesma maka ni tin jabo te amte ba ka penjabo ni kali kaji tip jangi ni margi kiri la poisional ni asaj mesti melawan kamdon padan jabo ye tegan jakli am lumalar teng la pasar tenator di kasar kali la pakai hados bin bala pan municipal bu dusbin harga jing jabo bami madan kini jabo ber takut nalang yang kata ngintip mereka katung ngilap dengi kami ini kini dukan badan marjan-marjan.
Education Minister Lakmin Rumboi stated that Meghalaya Education Department will hold review meeting to discuss about reopening of schools next week. As the process of unlocking begins, the question is being raised about reopening of schools in the state. With spike in COVID-19 cases in the state, especially in East Khasi Hills district, apprehension has been made about the reopening of schools. Initiated with the aim of recognizing and encouraging academic excellence among the students residing in Nongkrem constituency, the Nongkrem Constituency Academic Excellence Award 2020 was given away today by Shri Lambor Malngyang, local MLA and MDC of Nongkrem constituency and chairman of the State Planning Board. The award ceremony was held at Salem Secondary School, Lightgore. 31 students attaining 75% and above in their board examination for the year 2019-2020 were awarded. The award carried a memento cum certificate and a cash prize of Rs 10,000 for rank holders and Rs 5,000 for students with 75% and above. Addressing at the gathering, Shri Malngyang informed that the idea to institute the Academic Excellence Award was born out of his desire to encourage the youth in the pursuit of education, stating that only hard work paves the way to success. He expressed hope that the achievements of the awardees will enthuse other students of the constituency to strive for excellence as well. The Block Development Officer of Milam C&RD Block, Shri Peter T. Pasa, while lauding the efforts of students, also urged them to use the award as a springboard for greater achievements in the future. The same thought was also echoed by the Block Development Officer of Mauringkaneng C&RD Block, Shri Ronnie Walang, who advised the students to use their inherent intelligence and opportunities given to them for the betterment of their families and the society as a whole. The program was also attended by the parents of the awardees and members of the Nongkrem Darbar Pullan. Due to the detection of positive COVID-19 cases and high-risk contacts, the District Magistrate East Khasi Hills District, in orders issued on 11 September 2020, has declared few residents in Shillong as micro-containment areas so as to restrict unregulated entry and exit on the site with effect from 11 September 2020. The incident commanders Zone 1 and 2 Shillong shall supervise and monitor strict compliance of these orders. Any violation of these orders shall entail prosecution under the penal provision of Disaster Management Act 2005 and IPC. Let us now have a glimpse of COVID-19 update for today.
East Jenta Hills 7, East Khasi Hills 124, 45 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, 79 others. Ribhoi 14, 8 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces and 6 others. Southwest Khasi Hills 4, West Garo Hills 17, 6 Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, 11 others. East Garo Hills 1, West Khasi Hills 1. The total number of active cases is 1,570. Out of this, 994 are in East Khasi Hills and 190 are from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, 804 others category. West Khasi Hills 14, Southwest Khasi Hills 5, Ribhoi 130, 46 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces and 84 others category. West Jenta Hills 13, East Jaintia Hills 146, West Garo Hills 211, 85 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 126 others category. Southwest Garo Hills 8, South Garo Hills 20, East Garo Hills 17, North Garo Hills 12. The total number of recovered cases for today is 131. West Garo Hills 10, 5 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, 5 others category. West Khasi Hills 21, East Khasi Hills 92, 41 from the Armed Forces, Paramilitary Forces, and 51 others. Ribhoi 8. The total number of cases who have recovered stands at 2020. There is a new death which occurred day before yesterday on the 10th morning and reported late last night, taking the total number of deaths to 25. Till 2 p.m. today is 1,12,221. The total number of persons who tested negative is 1,07,737. The number of test results awaited till 2 p.m. today is 869 approximately. And the number of entrants from outside of Meghalaya till 2 p.m. today is 35,165.
That is all we have for you today. Till we meet again, thank you for being with us.